In this topic, we are going to look at one more app that is called Mobile Inventory for LS Central. And Mobile Inventory is easy to use, and it is designed for the processes needed for inventory, and as such very important for retailers. This means that retailers can supply their staff with a mobile device like a phone with the app on it, and then they can go around in the stock rooms and do their processes. And it's so smart as well that they can work offline, meaning that you can be in a stock room that doesn't have any internet connection, do your counting or do your processes, and then come back where you get the internet connection, and then you can upload everything into LS Central again. So let's look at it. And you can download the app from the Play Store. So if you find LS Retail, you see the LS Retail Mobile Inventory. This one here. So let's download it and use it in our phone. When it's downloaded, we can open it. And these are standard procedures. We're going to allow it while using the app, and we're going to allow Mobile Inventory to connect, and here to manage phone calls. When you have downloaded the Mobile Inventory from Play Store, it is connected by default with our mobile demo machine. You can use it as such if you like, but you can also change it to connect with your VM, and we'll do that in the next chapter. Here you can do the ping, so you will see if it gets connection. And when you get Pong OK, you are successfully connected. And check it, it's connecting to 3 different things. If one is failing, the Pong OK will not be here. If you look further down, you will see that it's connecting to this store and this terminal. That is the one for the mobile device. And you can as well update the database or clear the database if you've been using it before in your phone. So when you're done, let's go back here. And you're ready. And you will see what the system is doing now is replicating necessary data into the phone. But all data is otherwise connected. The app is connected with web services to LS Central database. So who is the user here? This is the staff, people that are working at the retailer. So you can use user 101 to our demo database, or even 150. And as with all other guys in our system, there is no password in our demo data company, and you log in. Here you have the menu. The menus are set up in back office of LS Central, and all the data is coming from there as well. You can always go into utility menu and say, who am I? Then you see how you are connected to a store, the name of the store, and etc. If you would like to do something else, go into the lookup menu. You can do item lookup, or even do item lookup quantity by color. You can do different things here. Let's do item lookup. And let's find the bag. And enter. And you will see all items that have bag inside them. This is how easy it is. If you go back and do lookup menu, you can even see item lookup by color. And if you now go to the skirt, remember, that is item 40020. Then you find the skirt Linda Professional Wear. And here you see all the combinations this item is available in. This sounds familiar, doesn't it? There are, of course, more options here. There are the stock management option, receiving menu, picking menu, etc. This is something we challenge you to study and check out and try.